Yes, students, we were discussing transpiration and today we will discuss kinds of transpiration. And we know that what is transpiration? Transpiration is evaporation of water vapors from aerial surface of the plant. Aerial surface means it includes leaves and stems and all other aerial parts of the plant. So this transpiration can occur through stomata, through cuticular membrane or through lenticels. What are these stomatal, cuticular or lenticular transpiration? Means that transpiration that occurs from the leaf through the stomata, because these stomatas are present on the surface of what? Leaf, on the both surfaces of the leaf, upper and lower surface. So cuticular means that transpiration that occurs directly from the surface of the leaves and stems through a cuticle. Cuticle is a transparent membrane, waxy membrane that is present on the surface of the leaves and stems. So some amount of transpiration occurs through this membrane also. That transpiration will be called cuticular transpiration. And there are some structures called lenticels, some openings present on the surface of the old stem. Old stem के surface के ऊपर there are some small pores that are called lenticels. So the transpiration that occurs through lenticels is called lenticular transpiration. First we will discuss stomatal transpiration. As by name, stomatal transpiration means that transpiration that occurs through the stomata. So what are stomata? Stomata, it's a term plural when more than one stomata is the name for singular is stoma, and for plural it is stomata. So what are stomatas? These are minute openings in the epidermal layer of the leaf. As we know, this is a transverse section of a leaf, and this is the upper layer, and this is the upper epidermis, and this is the lower epidermis, or it is the upper surface and the lower surface of the leaf. And these stomatas are present on the what? Surface पे, on the surface, both surfaces. However, their number is more at the lower surface. So here at the lower surface one stomata is shown. So what are stomatas? These are minute openings in the epidermal layer of the leaf, and single opening in the epidermal layer of the leaf is stoma. So this is a stoma. When more than one stomata are shown, then we will call stomata, not the stoma. So one opening is called stoma, and more than one opening shown in the layer will be called stomata. So plural form is stomata and singular is called stoma. So what is the function of these stomata? What is the function? During daytime stomata wide open, and remain wide open for what? For the exchange of gases, that is carbon dioxide and oxygen, for the process of what? Photosynthesis. Intake of carbon dioxide and removal of oxygen occurs through this. And second function is water vapors escape through the stomata of the leaf. And today's topic we are discussing only transpiration, so we will concentrate upon only the removal of water vapors through the stomata of the leaf. However, stomata perform two main functions, that is exchange of gases and removal of water vapors. So here we will take the topic only the removal of water, how the removal of water occurs through stomatas. So we will discuss here the mechanism of stomatal transpiration, how this water evaporates through stomata. What happens?